Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper, $8,000, Lidditz, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 comes from the popular Ironhead era and has been transformed into a one-of-a-kind custom chopper. With its hardtail frame, extended front end, and handcrafted details, this machine captures the creativity and individuality that define traditional American chopper culture. This custom build shows approximately 10,500 miles and features numerous handmade metal components throughout. Recent updates include a new rear tire and front brake, and the sale also includes a small motorcycle lift. For buyers seeking a distinctive custom Harley with plenty of character, this Sportster stands out from the crowd. Number 2. 1996 Honda Shadow 600 Chopper, $3,500, Center Reach, New York. The Honda Shadow 600 has long been a favorite platform for custom builders, thanks to its dependable V-twin engine and straightforward design. Custom chopper conversions like this one blend Honda reliability with classic long fork styling inspired by traditional American customs. This hardtail build features a Sportster-style fuel tank, extended forks, new tires, new fork seals, and an anti-gravity battery. The seller reports that it starts easily and runs great, while several extra and stock parts are included. It appears to be a fun and affordable custom motorcycle ready for its next owner. Number 3. 2007 Harley-Davidson Chopper, $9,000, Glen Rock, Pennsylvania. Custom Harley-Davidson choppers continue to represent one of the most recognizable styles in American motorcycle culture. Built around simplicity, individuality, and classic V-twin power, these motorcycles remain highly sought after by riders who appreciate handcrafted custom machines. This 2007 special construction chopper is powered by an 80-inch Evolution engine and equipped with an S&S Shorty carburetor, BDL open primary, 5-speed transmission, hardtail frame, and Springer front end. The seller describes the motorcycle as being in excellent condition, creating a striking package with timeless chopper appeal. Number 4. 1972 Yamaha XS Chopper, $4,250, Allentown, Pennsylvania. The Yamaha XS650 became one of the most popular motorcycles for custom builders thanks to its simple parallel twin design and strong aftermarket support. Over the years, the XS platform has earned legendary status within the custom chopper community. This kickstart-only custom is powered by a 650cc engine sourced from Pandemonium Cycles and features a Hughes ignition and charging system, along with a Hughes oil cooler. Professionally tuned and timed, the bike is reported to run and ride well and comes with a clean title for the complete custom frame. Number 5. 1987 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper, $4,700, Hampton Falls, New Hampshire. The 1987 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper combines classic Harley styling with the hidden rear suspension design that made the Softail line famous. Custom examples from this era often showcase the craftsmanship and personalization that helped define motorcycle culture during the 1980s and 1990s. This FXSTC features a custom paint scheme created by noted Quebec artist Lartex, along with extensive hand-engraved chrome work. With approximately 18,000 original miles, the motorcycle recently received significant servicing, including fluid changes, brake system rebuilding, carburetor cleaning, and a new battery. The seller reports that it runs and rides great, making it an attractive custom Harley with a unique history. Number 6. 1975 Honda CL360 Rigid Chopper, $2,400, Fall River, Massachusetts. The Honda CL360 has become a popular choice among custom builders thanks to its lightweight twin-cylinder engine and straightforward design. Hardtail conversions like this one embrace the minimalist spirit of vintage chopper culture while giving these classic Hondas a completely different personality. Built on a period AEE frame, this kickstart-only custom features Northern Chopper's buckhorn handlebars and Pawco high risers. The seller notes that it runs but could benefit from a battery and carburetor cleaning. With a title in hand and a solo seat included, it offers an affordable entry into vintage chopper ownership. Number 7. 1999 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper, $5,500, Whitesboro, New York. The Harley-Davidson Softail has long been one of the most popular foundations for custom chopper builds. Its classic V-twin styling and hidden rear suspension design allow builders to create custom motorcycles while retaining the comfortable ride Harley riders appreciate. This custom 1340cc Softail reportedly has only 7,100 original miles and features a unique, one-of-a-kind build. Finished in yellow and described as both powerful and enjoyable to ride, it offers custom styling combined with low-mileage Harley-Davidson appeal. Number 8. 1978 Yamaha XS650 Chopper, $2,000, Van Etten, New York. The Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese motorcycles in the custom chopper world. Its durable parallel twin engine and simple construction have made it a favorite platform for builders for decades. This project bike is being offered as a non-running restoration candidate. The seller notes that it includes a Pennsylvania title, although additional title verification may be needed. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable XS650 project, this custom chopper could provide a solid starting point. Number 9. 1973 Honda CB750 Chopper, $5,000, Beverly, New Jersey. The Honda CB750 revolutionized the motorcycle industry and later became a popular platform for custom chopper builders during the 1970s and 1980s. Its smooth inline-4 engine and strong reputation continue to make CB750 customs highly desirable today. This survivor-style chopper dates back to the 1980s and includes a custom seat, new tires, new chain, and an updated electrical box with plug-and-play wiring. The motorcycle still needs wiring completed and carburetor work before returning to the road, making it an appealing project for vintage chopper enthusiasts. Number 10. 1971 Triumph 650 Chopper, $5,500, Millsboro, Delaware. The 1971 Triumph 650 represents the classic British twin platform that helped inspire countless custom choppers throughout the decades. Triumph-powered customs remain highly respected for their distinctive styling, lightweight feel, and strong vintage character. According to the seller, the engine was completely rebuilt, and the motorcycle received numerous new components, including a Springer front end, rims, tires, seat, tank, handlebars, and other major parts. The bike is reported to run as it should, offering a largely refreshed custom Triumph with traditional chopper style. Number 11. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper, $2,100, West Milford, New Jersey. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 comes from the desirable Ironhead era and remains a popular foundation for custom chopper projects. Known for their rugged character and classic Harley-Davidson styling, Ironhead Sportsters continue to attract builders and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. This XLH project includes paperwork and is being offered as a build-ready motorcycle. For buyers looking to create their own custom Ironhead chopper, this affordable project presents an opportunity to start with a genuine 1970s Harley-Davidson platform.
Number 12. 2002 Honda Shadow Chopper, $3,500, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The Honda Shadow 600 has earned a strong reputation among custom builders thanks to its dependable V-twin engine and straightforward design. Chopper conversions based on the Shadow platform offer classic custom styling while maintaining Honda's well-known reliability. This custom build features numerous TJ Brutal Customs components, including a hardtail kit, fuel tank, exhaust, risers, and fork extensions. The seller reports that the bike runs and rides great, with carburetor tuning already completed to match the intake and exhaust upgrades. Finished in blue, it offers a clean and well-executed custom appearance.
Number 13. 1981 Yamaha XS650 Chopper, $6,000, Leominster, New Hampshire. The Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most iconic motorcycles in the custom chopper community. Its simple, twin-cylinder engine and strong aftermarket support have made it a favorite platform for builders for decades. This hard-tailed example features a traditional foot clutch, hand-shift setup, and minimalist wiring for an authentic old-school riding experience. Showing approximately 4,000 miles since the build, the seller notes that it receives plenty of compliments and includes build photos for interested buyers.
Number 14. 1997 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper, $9,000, Frewsburg, New York. The Harley-Davidson Softail has long served as one of the most popular foundations for custom motorcycle culture, combining classic styling with proven Evolution V-twin performance. Custom builds like this showcase the creativity and craftsmanship that continue to define American motorcycle culture. Originally a fat boy, this motorcycle has been extensively transformed into a custom bobber-style machine. Recent work includes engine resealing, cam compartment service, new tires, fresh fluids, updated wiring, and numerous custom details throughout. The foot clutch and hand shifter add traditional character, creating a unique Harley that stands apart from the crowd. Number 15. 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $1,350, Clifton, New Jersey. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the final years of the Ironhead era, a period that remains highly respected among Harley enthusiasts. These motorcycles are known for their unmistakable personality, mechanical simplicity, and popularity within the custom chopper scene. According to the seller, this Sportster runs very well despite having been parked for some time. It'll need a tank cleaning, fresh tires, and brake service before regular use, but it comes with transferable main registration and an attractive asking price. For enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly ironhead project, this chopper offers plenty of potential.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic motorcycle and chopper finds. We'll see you in the next ride.